back to 20 car. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Maybach Motorhome Unofficial concept is a rolling palace that merges aristocratic elegance with futuristic innovation. On the outside, it dazzles with a commanding semi-truck silhouette cloaked in deep obsidian black with chrome outlines, its grille stretching like a jeweled crown. LED cathedral-shaped headlights add a dramatic aura, while the side panels flow with sculpted harmony, echoing Maybach's heritage of grand presence. Step into the driver's domain and you are greeted by a panoramic digital dashboard spanning wall-to-wall, displaying real-time navigation, biometric monitoring, and AI-controlled drive assistance. The steering wheel is wrapped in handcrafted leather, accented with pearl-inlaid touch controls, merging tactile luxury with intuitive technology. In the rear cabin, passengers enjoy an interior more akin to a penthouse lounge than a vehicle. Reclining thrones upholstered in quilted white Nappa leather contrast with walnut inlays and ambient lighting panels resembling starlit skies. A kitchenette, lounge sofas, and panoramic roof windows transform long journeys into cinematic experiences. Underneath this elegance lies power, a hybrid twin turbocharged V8 paired with electric motors, delivering around 950 horsepower. This massive luxury motorhome still surges from 0 to 100 kilometers height in just 5.8 seconds, a feat unimaginable for a mansion on wheels. Rivals include the Bentley Grand Touring Motorhome Concept and Rolls-Royce Cullinan Extended Camper. Estimated pricing starts from $1.8 million, reflecting its rare craftsmanship. The 2026 Maybach Motorhome isn't just transport, it is a traveling kingdom sculpted in motion.